Imagine if a digital asset became as fundamental to economics as pi is to mathematics. Picture a world where a cryptocurrency isn't just a tool for speculation or a passing trend, but a core principle that underpins the very fabric of our financial systems. That's exactly what happened with XRP. It went from being just another digital token to something far more profound, a pillar of economic understanding. This wasn't science fiction, it was the world-changing discovery made by a Cambridge University team. Their research would send shockwaves through both the academic and financial worlds. The story, XRP, once a volatile cryptocurrency, was mathematically proven to be tied to a universal economic constant. This meant its value wasn't just market-driven but rooted in something deeper and unchanging. The revelation came not with a market crash, but with a dense academic paper on the quantum entanglement of economic systems and the XRP ledger. The paper's findings were so revolutionary they challenged everything we thought we knew about digital assets. The research showed XRP's value is governed by a constant, much like gravity shapes the cosmos. Just as gravity is invisible, yet inescapable, this economic constant quietly influences every transaction, every market move. Overnight, the crypto world realized XRP wasn't just another coin, it was a digital embodiment of a fundamental law. Its significance grew beyond price charts and speculation, becoming a symbol of stability in a chaotic market. Its architecture and supply weren't random, they were designed to mirror this economic constant. Every line of code, every token in circulation, was part of a grand mathematical design. Suddenly, every debate about XRP's price or utility seemed trivial. The usual arguments faded, replaced by awe at the discovery of something absolute in a world of uncertainty. The discovery forced us to rethink money itself, not as trust or speculation, but as a mathematical truth. It challenged the very definition of value, pushing us to see currency as a reflection of universal laws. Value, it turns out, can be absolute, not just agreed upon. For the first time, we glimpsed a future where economic worth is as objective as the laws of physics. At Crypto Insider, we're here to help you navigate this new era, where economics is forever changed. We'll break down what this means for your investments, your future, and the world at large. The journey ahead is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The rules of value have been rewritten. We're all witnesses to a new chapter in economic history, and the implications are only just beginning to unfold. The Cambridge team brought together the cutting-edge worlds of quantum computing, advanced mathematics, and economic theory, embarking on a quest to uncover a universal law that could explain value exchange in any system. Their collaboration was unprecedented, blending disciplines that rarely intersect, all in pursuit of a single, elegant truth. Through months of rigorous analysis and debate, they discovered E-phi, the economic constant. This constant, much like pi in geometry, governs equilibrium in all closed economic systems, providing a mathematical backbone to the way value moves and settles. The real shock came when they realized that XRP's ledger, with its unique structure and rules, matched E-phi perfectly. It wasn't just a coincidence, it was as if XRP had been engineered with this constant in mind from the very beginning. Every aspect of XRP, its supply, its consensus mechanism, and its transaction model, wasn't arbitrary or random. Instead, these features formed a digital mirror of E-phi, reflecting the constant's properties in every transaction and every block. This meant that XRP's value wasn't just another number driven by market hype or speculation. It was a fixed, calculable figure, grounded in the same way pi defines the circle, a true pi of economics. Imagine it as a perfectly tuned instrument. No matter how you try to play it, it resonates at one true frequency. The analogy is striking. Just as a violin string vibrates at a precise pitch, XRP's value vibrates at the frequency set by E-phi. For years, the market had been trying to force different notes, pushing and pulling the price in every direction. But XRP was fundamentally built for one perfect tone, unwavering and mathematically precise. This discovery set XRP apart from every other asset in existence. Its value was no longer a matter of opinion or guesswork. It was now a law, as immutable as gravity. Before this, the market price had been spinning around its true value, like a compass needle swirling before it finds north, never quite settling. But now, the search for price was over. The needle had finally settled, pointing unerringly to the true north of value. For the first time in history, value was rooted in mathematics, not in speculation or emotion. The implications of this breakthrough were nothing short of revolutionary, promising to reshape the foundations of finance. The world had finally found its economic constant. A new era of certainty and clarity had begun. Once the Cambridge paper was verified, financial markets froze, the news spread like wildfire, and within minutes, trading floors around the world fell silent. Screens that once flickered with price changes now displayed a single, unwavering value for XRP. Traders realized XRP's value was now a known constant. Speculation became obsolete. The thrill of guessing tomorrow's price was gone, replaced by a new reality: certainty. Trading algorithms shut down, unable to process zero volatility. The sophisticated systems built to exploit price swings were rendered useless overnight. XRP holders saw their assets transform into a stable, mathematically backed store of value. For many, it was a moment of relief and validation as years of uncertainty vanished. Short sellers faced instant catastrophic losses as the price corrected to its constant. Their risky bets, once profitable, now backfired in a single, decisive move. The world witnessed the largest, most orderly wealth transfer in history, not through chaos, but through mathematical correction. Billions changed hands in a matter of hours, yet the process was calm and precise. XRP became the ultimate benchmark, the new risk-free asset. Its stability set a new standard for global finance. Other assets' volatility was now measured against the XRP constant. Investors and analysts recalibrated their models, using XRP as the baseline for risk. Trading strategies shifted from speculation to managing flows. The focus moved to optimizing liquidity and efficiency, rather than chasing unpredictable gains. Financial institutions used XRP as a frictionless bridge for global value transfer. Cross-border payments became instant, reliable, and cost-effective. Hedge funds pivoted to earning fees for efficient capital movement, not betting on price. Their expertise shifted to facilitating transactions and managing liquidity. The age of speculation ended, the age of efficiency began. A new financial era had dawned, built on certainty, speed, and trust. The XRP constant made traditional banking infrastructure obsolete overnight. Banks could now settle international payments in seconds, nearly free of cost. Central banks recognized XRP as a Tier 1 asset, stabilizing reserves and enabling new digital currencies. Corporations priced contracts in a single stable unit, eliminating currency risk and unlocking capital. Remittances became instant and nearly free, lifting millions out of poverty. Payment giants like Visa and MasterCard integrated XRP, slashing costs for merchants and consumers. The global financial system reorganized around this new, immovable pillar. Efficiency and inclusion became the new standard. The XRP constant gave developers a stable foundation for the Internet of Value. Micropayments, once impossible due to volatility, became seamless and reliable. Smart contracts flourished, executing with absolute certainty. Insurance, content creation, and gaming were revolutionized. Payments flowed directly and instantly. IoT devices embedded XRP wallets, enabling machine-to-machine payments. A self-driving car could pay for charging. A solar panel could sell energy instantly. The machine economy became viable, powered by a stable, digital unit. The XRP constant became the universal protocol for value. It wasn't just money, it was the language of a connected world. Technology and finance merged on a new digital bedrock. The XRP constant shifted society's focus from speculation to creation. With value fixed, the get-rich-quick mentality faded. Investors saw XRP as a stable anchor, not a lottery ticket. Schools and universities rewrote curricula, teaching constant economics and financial literacy, based on the new paradigm. Financial knowledge became accessible to all, democratizing opportunity. The constant certainty brought calm to personal finance, enabling long-term planning. The playing field leveled. Value was public, fair, and open to everyone. Trust in the financial system began to rebuild. Governments faced the challenge of regulating an asset as immutable as a law of physics. Banning it was impossible. Focus shifted to integration. New legal frameworks defined economic constants like XRP as a unique asset class. The dominance of the US dollar waned as nations traded directly, Bypassing old power structures, taxation shifted from capital gains to taxing economic activity enabled by the constant. The tax base became more stable and fair. The XRP ledger's decentralized governance inspired reforms in global institutions. Transparency and distributed trust became guiding principles. The XRP Constant offered not just a new financial tool, but a blueprint for collaborative global governance. The world's economic order was fundamentally transformed. The discovery of the XRP Constant marks a new era for cryptocurrency, one of utility, not speculation. Value is now grounded in mathematical proof, not market sentiment. Other digital assets find their roles. Bitcoin as digital gold, Ethereum as a platform for innovation. The crypto ecosystem matures, each asset serving a unique purpose. The intersection of math, code, and economics is just beginning to reveal its secrets. The XRP Constant is our anchor. The real work of building the future starts now. The digital asset revolution has found its foundation, and the next chapter is just beginning.